If the iPhone data transfer message quick start prompt is not showing when setting up a new iPhone, then here is how to fix it step by step. First of all, do the requirements check, like both iPhones must be running iOS 12.4 or later, and both devices unlocked and Bluetooth is enabled, and both should be plugged into power and close together. After that, simply try restarting both of your iPhones. Long press on the power and volume down button, then slide to power off and wait for a few minutes and simply turn it back on. After you do so, all you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and just make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and your Bluetooth is also toggled on. If not, you can also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you can simply turn on the airplane mode and turn it off. After that, open the settings app on a mobile device, and once inside the settings app, simply tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on the reset network settings. And also make sure your old iPhone is not paired with another device nearby. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.